Hello everyone, Richard Chen, market beating investor, here to introduce to you my company, BetaFree.com. BetaFree.com is a company that has a very simple business goal, and that is to beat the S&P 500 index, which is basically this large cap stock market, or we don't get paid. Seems like a pretty simple business proposition, business model. And so the next question is, why should you do it with us? So I will take you to that in the next slide. By the way, say hello to my friend Mr. Buffett, who's here with me in spirit. BetaFree.com is a value investment company at heart. Not a trading company, not private equity, leveraged buyouts, always. It's good, old-fashioned value investing. Best way to start is with a poem. It's a poem for you, the prospective stakeholder at BetaFree.com. Please kindly tell me, why should I invest my capital with RC, the MBI? RC are my initials, and MBI stands for Market Beating Investor. So basically what makes us different, actually there are three characteristics that are driving our industry shift in money and wealth management. The first, and that is arguably what everyone else claims to have, I will mention that I am not only an Ivy League Oxford graduate, so I have the academic qualifications. I think what makes me stand out is I have a combined 30 years of business operations and growth and investing experience. So most money and wealth asset managers come from a financial background where they kind of work with the dynamics of how the stock market works. And instead, I focus on actually having run business and grown businesses. I look at the actually underlying businesses behind the stocks, because actually by doing that, looking at their growth, their moat, and evaluations, I can make actually pretty good long-term projections and outperform the stock market. So the second characteristic is I am fair. And then what I mean by fair is that I don't get paid unless you win. So I don't have flat fees that are based on commissions or sales. I make it a priority. You, the investor, comes first. You have to beat the stock market, beat the index funds. Otherwise, I don't get paid at all. And that's about as fair as can possibly get, imagine. So the third, and I guess I might say with some humility or some that is, I am financially independent. People say you're already rich, and so I have other businesses, personal investment, income from that can sustain my expenses and lifestyle, so that there's no conflict of interest in what I do in this money management company. So I will not need to collect so that I can pay the bills. You will win first, and then I collect, and I collect only as a matter of principle, so that I actually deliver value. So if you hire, you call the plumber, electrician come, and they're supposed to fix your toilet, fix your light fixture, whatnot. They should only get paid if you actually get a service. So, and that service is that we can do for you, outperform the index fund, which you can get at low cost. Otherwise, we shouldn't get paid. There should be a value proposition there. And so that's it. So thank you for joining me. This is basically a brief overview. There's more information on the website. We also post updates directly from our portfolio, so you can see in real time, not in real time, but on a regular basis, what our actual performance is. No data manipulation or anything else. It's transparency, 100% transparency. And we'll see you next time. Safe investing.